Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Monday. Now, just letting you guys know as well, my channel, I'm just quickly updating, but I'm going to be changing my channel name to Living Life 365 versus Unboxing. So just wait for that change, and then if you want to look it up, just use the new title by, I'd say, next week. I'm excited to have another unboxing though. This is actually a fairly new product. New in the sense that it's the second or third generation already of this product. It is Anker. Now Anker's a popular battery brand. They got charger blocks and everything. Now it is called the Anker 622. It's a magnetic battery. So it's called MagGo and it's 5,000 milliamps. If you want to look at my channel, I do have the slim juicer for the Zero Lemon that I kind of reviewed recently. Now, again, none of my channel's not sponsored by anyone. Bought this myself. Everything is pretty nice here. We'll do a quick unboxing. I'll show you a little bit about the features of it and everything. I will say the older generation I used when I was traveling, and it actually saved my life. All my family members actually use it quite a bit. So let's go ahead and do the unboxing. It's going to be tape here. Pretty convenient that they put the slot right there. So let's take it out. Again, 5,000 should last you a pretty good chunk amount of battery. Recycled material. Packaging is actually fairly minimalistic, but really nice. It's Series 6 as it shows there. So it's from the back. Paperwork, quick start guide, tells you everything, compatible cases. We'll be using it with an iPhone 13. Perfect timing. One of my phones is, my wife's phone is close to dead, so we'll be using it and see how fast it charges from there. So quick start guide, what's in the box, just its charging cable. See really quickly, it is a micro USB-C as you can tell. So C to C. You'll just need a charging block for that. And the battery case itself. So wrapped in like cornstarch plastic, what they usually do. And this actually looks really nice. It's pretty similar, like I said, to the generation before it. Now the good big change is actually the charging port is now on the right side of it versus the bottom. So back in the day when it was in the bottom, this can be used as a stand. I'll show you in a bit. But when it was in the bottom, you couldn't really charge it while using it as a stand. But now you can. So battery buttons over there. Charging port. It says a nice kind of subdued Anker symbol there. And it really just peels off, I believe, here from the back. There you go. And when you want to use it as a stand, bam. I believe it does that right there. Simple as that. Stands perfectly. So we'll use that. Okay, so here's the phone really quickly. Again, nothing much. It just has those rings for the MagSafe really quick to show you. So you can tell the phone is at 1%, and we'll just slap it on. And there you go. It's charging. So again, let's look at it. Down. Battery indicators are on that side. You can have it stand. Looks perfect. Simplistic, minimalistic. And you could hold it. It's on the go. Really secure. I mean, you can get an extra case as well for it to make it even sturdier, but I'm shaking it pretty hard and it's not coming off. And when you're done with it, you just pull it off. But like you can see, it's pretty good. So 1%, pretty nice. And yeah, that's about it. So again, and I do have a quick announcement as well for those of you who are still watching. So for every 250 subscribers that I get, I am actually going to be doing a giveaway. So it's going to be a random raffle pick from all those, but it's going to be an Amazon e-gift card that I can send the winner. Now, to be able to be eligible, you gotta comment on my videos and subscribe, and then from those comments and subscribers, I will be drawing randomly, and the winner, I will send them an email link with the gift card from Amazon where you can use it to purchase the things I've reviewed or anything you'd want from Amazon. So just stay tuned for that. So guys, I've just been charging it for about, as you can see, 21 minutes and 27 seconds, and the battery is now at 21. So I'd say it's about 1% per minute, just about. That is fairly quick. Again, I forgot to mention the price, but you can pick this up on Amazon at $84.99. The older gen is going to be a little cheaper, again, with the battery port down in the bottom. Thanks again for watching. If you haven't liked and subscribed to the video, please do so, and hit that notification bell so that you will be notified for any new videos that I do post. Have a great Monday.